Key levels. The key levels are for me the price levels where something important happened, like rejection or continuation of the move, and I prefer to mark them on the M30 time frame and based on the volume. So I'm choosing the highest volume candles, and I'm watching the price action. Let's start with the second one I marked. Here's the high volume big bullish candle. Yes, and the price continued the direction of this candle. So it means for me two things. So big candle can mean that at the beginning could be big order. Yes, in short period of time it was big move, but if it's continued, it can only mean that somewhere at the end of the candle there could be also placed another big order. So I'm marking this at the closure because the price followed the direction. Here we have very high volume candle. Unfortunately in this case this is just a doji, but as the price didn't went down as the direction of this candle, I would draw the key level from the opening of the candle, as it was just a short-term sell just to get a better price for the bigger buy. This lower price for buying is way better. Here is more clean. Yes, this is the bearish candle with high volume. You can see the bar here, but price didn't follow the direction of this candle. Bearish candle, but price shot to the upside. So this here means that it was the short-term sell, big rejection, and price shot to the up. So I believe that only at the beginning of this candle was big order placed to change the direction. Here very clean, big bullish candle with high volume. You can see the bar here, definitely highest. Price continued the move, so it means that here at the end of the candle it was another big order placed to move it even higher and higher. So I would also draw the key level from the closure of this bullish candle. What we have here, also very high volume bearish candle, and the move continued, yes, with the direction of the bearish candle. So I drew the key level from the closure of this candle. Here was something different. Yes, big bearish candle with a lot of volume, but price didn't continue. It came back. So it means that to make so big push, the large order was placed somewhere here at the top, at opening of the candle, but at the end there wasn't enough power to push it lower. Even here we see the wick. It means that some buyers appeared. So in this period of time, the biggest order was placed somewhere here on the top. So I drew the key level from opening of the candle. And what's next? The next important key levels I also like to draw are the Asian highs and lows. It is just about markups right now. Yes, we're going step by step how to prepare charts for trading, and in this level I would say that these key levels are more as the safe take profit areas than entries. If you will be more experienced after learning how supply and demand works and more about liquidity, when you will see when you will be able to find easy the patterns we are looking for, how to grab the liquidity, you could also use these levels as aggressive entries. Still not as safe ones, but aggressive. You will understand how the market is moving. But for now, in this moment, I would say that these are important levels to draw, to mark, to have this in charts, and to use them as a take profit, because probably there will be rejection. So the Asian highs and lows, I believe that the money can be above and below these levels. The very frequent question was for what time there is the Asian session. I use that the opening of Frankfurt is the end. And just after Frankfurt, I see a lot of players, even then on London. So I would say that the opening of Frankfurt is the maximum time where I want to see the high or low from Asian session. So I use here also the week as the highest point where the price came. Here is something special, because you can see that the candle opened lower than I marked my Asian low. I need to be please just avoid the differences between brokers. It's because if the New York session closed at this level and Asian started a bit lower, this can be just our broker data. It can vary in Oanda if you are marking these levels on TradingView. So in this case, I just drew this from the closure of New York session, when the price really continued the upward move and didn't make any other strange low. Just remember the time when a few years ago there were gaps after weekend like 10 to 30 pips, but now like a few pips difference can be strange, and in this case it was just where my broker put the first data. So these are really nice targets. Yes, if you know the structure, if you could understand that previously here was some supply from the past, that the targeting to Asia low is really safe. More advanced traders can use these levels, as I said, to find entries, but previously please focus on this as a TP if you will learn later how to join the market safely.